Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be just showing you some cool tricks that you can learn. These are a bit more difficult than my previous video, which was beginner's tricks. See, right here I have the Vortex Butterfly Knife Trainer. Here's the package, if you're interested. Vornex, my bad, Vornex. Really cool blade in my opinion. Yeah, not sharp. Trainer, which means... Yeah, okay, if you're watching this, you shouldn't be a beginner. You should at least know a few tricks. So, I'm going to be teaching you 3 cool tricks to do with your butterfly knife. Alright, so the first trick we're going to be learning is something called the Zen Rollover. It's a pretty simple trick once you get it, and it looks a bit like this. Alright? I know it looks difficult when you first see it, but it'll get easier. So, so basically, you can hold it like you're writing something down, but not like this. Don't do like this. Do like this. Then you're gonna spin. You're gonna get a flick. It's gonna go around. So it's gonna go around, and then up, then down, then here. So, see? I'll show you one more time. Spin. Right here, it's gonna spin, you're gonna let go, you're gonna catch it, go down into it. It's a really cool trick in my opinion. It's super satisfying to do as well. Like if you could just quickly just do one, really nice. Yeah. The second trick I'm teaching you, this one's a bit more difficult. Now for the last trick I'm going to teach you. This trick is sort of like the Zen Rollover, but it's not. It's more of like it's like instead of going sideways with the Zen Rollover, you're going to be going down. So it should look a little bit like this. Something like that. So here is it in slow motion basically. You're going to flick, not too hard, but you want it hard enough so that you have a full rotation that can go all the way and meet back up here. So if you just like do that, it doesn't go all the way. You want it to go, and then you want to turn your hand right at the last second, and then you're just going to do all the normal things of the Zen Rollover. So you go spin, goes up, you let it go between your thumb, then you catch it, go down, up. When I explain, it sounds a lot easier. And like you see, you shouldn't be holding it too close to the edge, because then your fingers get caught up in the blade, and if you use the real knife, that would be really bad. And you shouldn't do it too far as well. Well, that's obvious, because too far I don't think it's even possible. So it should be like more to the end, but not in the middle. So like right about like